Hello guys, welcome to True Legend. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of this Promend bike phone holder. What we're going to do, without further ado, we're going to unbox it. I've already cut the side open. So what we're going to do, we're going to see what's inside. So as you can see, we've got the Allen key, so you can put in the bike, instructions, and we've got the actual bike holder. As you can see, this is the bike holder. Really good quality. It's made out of aluminium, made out of metal. I can tell it's going to be a really good bike holder. So what you can do, you can unscrew it so you can put a wider phone on here. What we're going to do, we're going to see how it performs. You can also go this side as well. And we've also got the certification sticker. So yeah, this is the phone holder. It's really good quality, made out of aluminium. Without further ado, we are going to install this on my bike and we're going to see how it performs. So this is the installation steps. As you can see, it tells you how to install it. This is for the SJJ297, and that's what this is, SJJ297. And it's got instructions for the other models in there, but I don't really need that. So it's got everything I need in here as well. It's even got the strip so you can stick it onto this so you can get a grip on your bike's handlebar. So what we're going to do, we're going to open this up with the Allen key. We've got the strips. So first of all, let's open this up. I don't know why it's not in there pre-installed, but it is where it is. So we've got the other part taken off. These screws shaving somehow came off. What we're going to do, we're going to put it on. So it looks like it came with 4 for spares, but we're going to use this one. So I'm going to take this apart. So as you can see here, I'm going to open this up and we're going to stick it onto this. So it can be a bit tricky to get it centralized. I mean, maybe it's not centralized, but it's going to be secured into the bike, so it doesn't really matter. And now we've got the other side, so we're going to do the other side. Remove this. Alright, so we remove that. I'm going to put on the patch over here, so. Alright, so we secured it, as you can see. We're now going to install this onto my bike. Alright, so let's get this installed onto the bike. So I've got the phone holder over here, as you can see. And what we're going to do, we're going to install it on the handlebar. Got the other side here. We're going to find the best place to install it, which I think is towards the end. So we're going to install it about here. So what we're going to do, I'm going to get one of the bolts. I'm going to put the screw in here. It might be a bit awkward. I'm just going to tighten it with my hand for now. Then we're going to get the other screw. I'll put that in as well. Got to do both at the same time to make sure it's even. Alright, so they seem to be about the same length. So what we're going to do now, we're going to tighten it with the Allen key. Really sturdy now, as you can see. Now what we're going to do, we're going to tighten this up as much as we can so that the phone does not move around. Then we can place the phone on here if you want to make it landscape to shoot videos. So yeah, it's a really good bike holder, really good quality. Alright, so what I've discovered, when you take it off completely, it literally comes all apart. So as you can see, this is what it looks like in the inside. But to put it back together, I'm going to show you how to put it back together. So let's say you accidentally take it apart. You put this inside here. You put this little ring inside on the screw. Then you put the little washer on there as well. And then you put the red thing back on as well. Because I struggled to put this back on, I had to figure it out. I figured it out, so now I'm gonna put it back together. As you can see, just press this down just to make sure it goes back together. And as you can see, it's back together now and should not go anywhere. Just leave it so you don't damage it. And we obviously wanna untighten it. Wanna make it this way, do that, tighten it. Try not to move it when it's tightened up, otherwise it might damage the metal inside, because we're going to put various devices in there to see if they fit. Just to demonstrate, I've got an iPhone 4 and we're going to see if we can actually put an iPhone 4 on this bike holder. So we're gonna untighten it. So it can even fit an iPhone 4, as you can see, it's smaller. So as you can see, I'm able to even put an iPhone 4 onto this bike holder. But any phone as small as this, you can easily put it on. You can even use the iPhone 4, for example, to shoot old school bike videos. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a bigger phone in here. So I'm gonna take this off. See, as you can see, it's nice and tight. So let's take this iPhone out. We're gonna make it as long as possible as well. You probably don't even need it this wide. All right, so that was really wide. As you can see, this is it removed. We're gonna put it back on. So yeah, this is as wide as you can go. So that is really wide. Probably almost fit this phone landscape as well. What I've got here, I've got an iPhone X over here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see if that fits. I made it long enough, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tighten it. It's on there properly, secure. It's not gonna shake about. As you can see, it's now landscape, and you can just shoot some FPV if you like. It's the phone on the bike. It's not gonna go anywhere, as you can see. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go out on the bike and do some proper testing. All right, so I've got my iPhone over here, and as you can see, it's on the mount. I've currently got Strava on, as you can see, and it's really strong. So if I ride, as you can see, really good bike holder. I can record videos, and it's really smooth when recording videos as well. So I'm gonna record video, and you can see on the screen how smooth the video actually is when recording vertical. So I'm recording vertical right now. And you can see on the screen how smooth, that footage is. I want to switch the video to landscapes, make sure it's tight, recording in 4K, 60 FPS. I'm going to put a few clips on the screen of how the footage turns out when riding. I mean, I can't really tell how smooth it's going to be in the video. It might be a bit rough, but the video was really smooth, as you can see. Alright, so the next few clips, as you can see, I'm going to use the inbuilt camera app. I'm going to use the photo mode, specifically the photo mode, because this creates a 4:3 format. I'm going to put it on 05x, and I'm going to press and hold the shutter button, swipe it up to lock it into place, and then it creates a really good and stabilized wide angle video. So yeah, my next few clips are going to be recorded in this format, and I think it's the best way to record bike videos. So if you want to do the same, then do what I did. So yeah, here's the next few videos that are recorded using this method. So anyway, thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Yeah, speak to you in the next one.